Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
There's a cow upon the farm, and cow was its name. Oh, C-O-W, C-O-W, C-O-W. The cow was there and it said moo, moo, moo all day. Oh. There was a duck down by the pond, and duck was its name. Oh, D-U-C-K, D-U-C-K, D-U-C-K. The duck was there and it said quack, quack, quack all day. Oh. There was a horse that ran so fast, and horse was its name. Oh, H-O-R-S-E, H-O-R-S-E. The horse was there and it said neigh, neigh, neigh all day. Oh. There was a sheep so soft and white, and sheep was its name. Oh, S-H-E-E-P, S-H-E-E-P. The sheep was there and it said ba, ba, ba all day. Oh. There was a dog who loved to play, and dog was its name. Oh, D-O-G, D-O-G, D-O-G. The dog was there and it said woof, woof, woof all day. Oh. There was a cat who purred so sweet, and cat was its name. Oh, C-A-T, C-A-T, C-A-T. The cat was there and it said meow, meow, meow all day. Oh. There was a pig who rolled in mud, and pig was its name. Oh, P-I-G, P-I-G, P-I-G. The pig was there and it said oink, oink, oink all day. Oh. There was a frog who hopped around, and frog was its name. Oh, F-R-O-G, F-R-O-G, F-R-O-G. The frog was there and it said ribbit, ribbit, ribbit all day. Oh. There was a bird up in the tree, and bird was its name. Oh, B-I-R-D, B-I-R-D, B-I-R-D. The bird was there and it said tweet, tweet, tweet all day. Oh. There was a bee who buzzed around, and bee was its name. Oh, B-E-E-E-E-E-E-E. The bee was there and it said buzz, buzz, buzz all day. Oh. There was a lion big and strong, and lion was its name. Oh, L-I-O-N, L-I-O-N, L-I-O-N. The lion was there and it said roar, roar, roar all day. Oh. There was a mole up late at night, and owl was its name. Oh, O-W-L, O-W-L, O-W-L. The owl was there and it said hoot, hoot, hoot all night. Oh. There was a snake that slithered by, and snake was its name. Oh, S-N-A-K-E, S-N-A-K-E, S-N-A-K-E. The snake was there and it said hiss, hiss, hiss all day. Oh.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.